Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick video, we shall go into a simple comparison of the Cloud Pro and also the Cloud Max. So we shall see which one is better in 2026. Alright, so let's start with the Cloud Pro for this case. Now for the Cloud Pro, obviously payment is $20 a month, while for the Cloud Max it's $100 a month. So basically, for the Cloud Pro, it's better for the cheap, for those who want to use something cheaper, or for those who are on a low budget. Now, for the standard usage, for the Cloud Pro, it gives you 5 times free tire. Then, now this is 5 times the speed, okay? And this one, it's limited to 5 times the speed. While for the Cloud Max here, it gives you ultra high usage, up to 5 to 20 times pro limits. You can see now this one's better. And then for the sonnets and opus over here, it gives you access to all models. Okay, this is for the Cloud Pro. While for the Cloud Max, it gives you access to the EXT thinking and higher volume and also longer sessions. So key differences are in the usage, costs, and priority. But I think the Cloud Max is better. Thanks for watching, guys.